Designed by Rick Joy, Sun Valley House is a quiet family vacation house with the best views of the stunning landscape, secluded in the arid highlands of Sun Valley, Idaho, just beyond the limits of a designated avalanche chute. The shape of the roof communes with the angles of the adjacent mountains, while each room of the house is oriented to a unique view of nearby ski slopes and other soft peaks. The two wings, each with exposed wood beam ceilings and solid wood floors, separate the private areas from the entertaining and social zones, with a guest wing below. The entire lower level and upper level hearth masses are local small rubble stone with flush mortar, and the remainder of the upper level walls and roofs are lightweight frame clad in steel. Their textures slightly differing, these stone and metal materials softly blend with the sage, gray, and blue of the natural landscape. The two wings appear to slide together and then pull apart. From the south, the massing appears to be a split-apart gable. Two coated steel forms meet at a central stone vertical structure. The large entry pivot door is accessed from a covered veranda. Deep recesses allow for a variety of private moments. Stone masses emerge vertically in the living room fireplace and twist 90 degrees in the kitchen/dining fireplace. The partially covered northern terrace has a fireplace and stair leading up to a hidden roof terrace, which offers a 360-degree view to be enjoyed from chaise lounges, and the opportunity to sleep under the stars in the warm summer months. Here's a look at the plan.